Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint extract. Mint extract is a powerful flavoring agent distilled from fresh mint leaves, offering a vibrant, cool taste. It's much more concentrated than fresh mint, so you only need a few drops to achieve a significant flavor impact. This makes it incredibly versatile for both sweet and savory applications, bringing a burst of freshness to your recipes and creations. When cooking, mint extract shines in desserts. Try adding 1/4 teaspoon to chocolate chip cookies or a few drops to homemade ice cream for a refreshing twist. It also elevates beverages. A dash in hot cocoa or a smoothie can be delightful. For savory dishes, consider pairing it with lamb or green peas to brighten the flavors. Remember, a little goes a long way. Mint extract isn't just for eating. You can incorporate it into homemade beauty products, like a refreshing lip balm or an invigorating body scrub. It also works wonderfully in DIY cleaning solutions, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. To maintain its potency, always store your mint extract in a cool, dark pantry, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Here are some final tips for using mint extract effectively. Always start with a small amount, perhaps 1/4 teaspoon, and taste before adding more, as its flavor is quite potent. It pairs beautifully with chocolate and vanilla, creating classic and delicious combinations. Also, for those looking to streamline their cooking, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.